Hello traders, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to trade double bottoms. So double bottoms are actually a reversal pattern that shows that price is about to make a bullish move, and I'm going to show you how it looks like. So a normal double bottom looks like this. Price will make this low, pull back, and then pull back, sell again, and then make an up move. So this is a typical double bottom, the regular double bottom. And there is another one which looks like this. Price will make the low, pull back, close below the previous low, and make a bullish move up. So with both scenarios, they are actually good. But if you understand liquidity concept, you know that price has made a double low, and some traders will think that that is a strong support. That is a strong support, and so they will look to place their stop loss below these lows or under these lows. So in this instance, there's a probability that the institutions will come and grab this liquidity down here because they know that traders are gonna put their stop losses, are going to initiate to buy trades and put their stop losses below here. So there's a probability that they will bring price down before price goes bullish. So I don't actually trade this one, but sometimes they do work because it's a game of probabilities. Trading doesn't work all the time. So in an instance like this, you can buy or you can put your buy order here and then you put your stop loss below the lows, under the lows, and then you look for whichever risk to reward that you think the trade has the potential to risk or to meet or reach. And with the second scenario, that is this one, I prefer this one a lot because I'll know that these lows, some traders are going to buy these lows and they're going to put their stop loss here. So when the institutions bring price lower here, I know that people's stop losses has been triggered by price coming this way. And those who are seeking to trade with the trend to continue the down move also have their sell limits down here. So their sell limits are going to be triggered and then price will move upwards and then trigger their stop losses around this area or wherever they put their stop losses. So liquidity will be buy side liquidity will be taken and then sell side liquidity will be taken. That's why I prefer taking trades that look like this. So in this same scenario, you're going to put your entry or you're going to put your buy orders right here and then your stop loss at this low, and then you go for whichever risk to reward ratio you think price will be able to meet. So with this in mind, let's move to the chart and see a practical example of this. So I took this trade a couple of weeks ago, and you can see price made this low and then made another low here. So this is a double bottom here, and this is a 4-hour chart. So this shows that it took price weeks to make this move, or days to make this move. So when price made this last downward move here, it took the lows of previous days. So it took the lows of previous days lows. As you can see, it took previous days lows. So the ideal thing is to put my buy order here, and then my stop here, and go for the risk reward ratio I prefer. But I wanted my stop to be less, and so I can use a good lot size and make some good profit. So I entered earlier, and I will not recommend this to anybody if unless you've traded it several times and you know how the setup should move and you know how the pair should go, then you can make an early entry. But if you are not familiar with it so well that I mean, and taking an early entry is gonna cause you to lose, don't do it. Enter here or above this wick. So the ideal position would have been here, but I made an early entry right here, and I was expecting the trade to go up to this level. So I actually put my TP at this level. Normally I take 1:2, but in this instance I was expecting the price to move rapidly and much further. So I put my TP at that high, which is 1:3 risk to reward ratio. And then you see this bullish move here. So when price gets to 1:1, I break even, and then I let the trend run to either hit my take profit or stop loss. So I had my TP out there, and then price went and then came to hit my stop. So it was a break-even trade that I took. So I'll show you a brief video of this after this video. So the next trade I took, or I'm currently in now, is this same pair, and you see price made this low, and then you see this bullish move, and price came down, and it took the previous lows, so it made a new low. So this is the W pattern that I showed you earlier that actually looks like this. So this is what this setup looks like. And when you look at it on the daily time frame, you can see that price made equal lows here, and then price broke it, grab liquidity, and then continue dropping. But what made me enter this trade is this other block here. So you can see this daily order block, demand zone here, that broke the previous resistance, that is this one, and made a new high. And that zone has not been tested. So price came here and then formed a double bottom on the daily time frame. A double bottom on the daily time frame. And as you can see on the daily time frame, look at the candles. Look at this bullish move here. This is the trade I took here. Look at this daily candle. Very bullish. Very bullish. Very big and long candle. That shows that the institutions are putting more buy orders into this pair. So I knew this pair was going to be bullish. So what I did was I should have entered either here or here, but my stop loss is going to be huge since this is for the H4 chart. So I placed my entry right here, and then I put my stop loss on this low, and I'm aiming for 1:2, but I expect price to move higher than this. So price came, picked my order, and then I was in drawdown, but my stop loss was below here, so I wasn't worried about it. And then we have this bullish move that happened yesterday, and as you can see, look at that, look at the daily candle. It's a very bullish engulfing. This is a bullish engulfing candle, a typical one, and I'm expecting price to move to this level, but I'll still take most of my profit at 1:2 risk to reward, and then just let the remaining run. So I'm in this trade right now, and I'm going to show you a video of it shortly. Thank you, and I hope you learned something. Have a profitable week.